So today I'm going to talk about the subject of ownership and responsibility. Now I've done quite a few workshops on the subject of taking ownership and responsibility. And for me, unless a professional takes ownership and responsibility, I don't think it's possible for him to really excel in their career. So I'm going to do a multi-series vlog on this, but just to start with, the first thought on ownership and responsibility is ownership and responsibility is your ability to treat the work that you're doing and the company that you work for as your own. Okay, and I think that's extremely important. A lot of people feel that that is something that you need to do for the company, and I keep telling people, no, that's something that you need to do for yourself first. Why is this so important? The minute you start taking ownership and responsibility and start treating the work and your company as your own, automatically while doing the work you become more resourceful, you become more creative, you become more innovative. Your overall approach and attitude towards doing that work changes, and that is the reason why you need to take ownership and responsibility. The minute you start taking an ownership and responsibility, you start providing more value for the customer that you're working for the boss that you're working for, and for the company that you're working for. And the minute you start providing more value, automatically over a period of time you're going to see the returns of that particular value. Now, the thought I share with my team and others, if you're going to work for a company for 2 years, in those 2 years, treat that company like it's your own. If you quit and if you go to another company, from day one of working for the second company, treat that company like it's your own. So irrespective of where you are and what you're doing, please treat that like it's your own. Okay? Thank you very much. Tell me what you thought about this.